Welcome to today's video. Today we'll learn about perimeter and area. Let us first understand what is a perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the distance around the shape or a closed figure. Let us now understand what is meant by area. Area is the amount of region enclosed by a closed figure. We will now look at the perimeter and area of some shapes. Let us start with a rectangle. Perimeter is the total length around the rectangle, which is the sum of all its sides. Since opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal, we can simplify this as 2 times the sum of its length and breadth. Now, let us determine the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 10 cm and a breadth of 4 cm. The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the sum of its length and breadth. Considering the length as 10 cm and the breadth as 4 cm, we get the perimeter as 28 cm. The area of a rectangle is the product of its length and breadth. Let us now calculate the area of a rectangle having a length of 10 cm and a breadth of 4 cm. The formula for the area of a rectangle is the product of its length and breadth. Replacing length by 10 cm and breadth by 4 cm, we get the area as 40 cm square. The perimeter of a square is the sum of lengths of all its sides. Since all sides of a square are always equal, we can simplify this as 4 times the length of one of its sides. Now, let us determine the perimeter of a square with a side length of 6 cm. The formula for the perimeter of a square is 4 times the length of one of its sides. Considering the side length as 6 cm, we get the perimeter as 24 cm. The area of a square is the square of the length of one of its sides. Let us now calculate the area of a square having a side length of 6 cm. The formula for the area of a square is the square of the length of one of its sides. Replacing side length by 6 cm, we get the area as 36 cm square. The perimeter is the total length around the triangle, which is the sum of all its sides. Now, let us determine the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 8 cm, 5 cm and 9 cm. The formula for the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of its sides. Considering the lengths of its sides as 8 cm, 5 cm and 9 cm, we get the perimeter as 22 cm. The area of a triangle is the product of its base and height, divided by 2. Let us now calculate the area of a triangle having a base of 9 cm and a height of 4 cm. The formula for the area of a triangle is the product of its base and height, divided by 2. Replacing the base by 9 cm and the height by 4 cm, we get the area as 18 cm square. The perimeter of a circle, also called the circumference, is 2 times the product of pi and its radius. Now, let us determine the perimeter of a circle with a radius of 7 cm. The formula for the perimeter of a circle is 2 times the product of pi and its radius. Considering the radius as 7 cm, we get the perimeter as 44 cm. The area of a circle is the product of pi and the square of its radius. Let us now calculate the area of a circle having a radius of 7 cm. The formula for the area of a circle is the product of pi and the square of its radius. Replacing the radius by 7 centimeters, we get the area as 154 centimeters square. Let us summarize the essentials of perimeter and area. The perimeter is the total distance around the edges of a shape. Just add up the lengths of all the sides. The area, on the other hand, measures the surface inside a shape, how much space it covers. Did you know? Two closed figures can have the same area, but different perimeters, or the same perimeter but different areas. To estimate or calculate the area of a region, we can break it into simpler shapes, unit squares, rectangles or triangles, and sum up their calculable areas. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know what topics you want to see in our next videos. Your ideas could be featured in the next upload. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.